Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making a pink spiral shirt. To begin, I've laid my shirt out flat and I'm using a fork to start my spiral. It's always important to remember if you're using a fork to start your spiral with that you don't poke a hole in the middle of your shirt. Make sure the tines on your fork are not really sharp. After I have my spiral done, I'm going to tie it up with some rubber bands. Okay, now that my shirt is tied and ready to go, it's time to start dyeing. But before I do that, I'm going to take a washable marker and divide my shirt in half, making sure to go through the middle spiral. Then I'm going to choose the side of my shirt that has the tag, so it's the top of my shirt, and divide that side into 3 equal sections. The dye for this one that I'm going to use is I have some powder pink from Dharma mixed up, and it's not quite as bright as I want it to be. So I'm going to add a little bit of fuchsia to it and mix that up really well. The first section that I'm going to dye is that pink color. That is the combination of powder pink and fuchsia. The second section is going to be that pink in a 50% solution. So I've taken 50% dye and 50% water and put those in a bottle together. Mix those up really well, and that's my second section. My third section is a 25% solution, so it is 25% dye and 75% water. Then I'm going to turn the shirt over and do the same pattern on the other side. Okay, so here's what our shirt ended up looking like. Unfortunately, I can't tell a huge difference between the 3 different colors of pink. I was hoping that the 3 different concentrations of dye would show up a little bit more. They might if I used maybe a darker color. I might have to try that later. Listen, if you guys are enjoying watching these videos, I sure would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's really easy to do. All you have to do is hit the big red button. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.